Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over the gaming machines we got here up front. We got a Thermaltake custom-built machine here. It's got a i9 processor. It's got the Z299 SLI plus MSI motherboard. It's got a 2 gig 1050 GTX graphics card, and we got Windows 10 built on it. It's got 64 gigs of RAM, tons of space for it, as well with a 2 terabyte SSD as well as a 1 terabyte SSD on here. So the customer came in and he explained that he wanted this built because he uses a lot of different projects around the world and he needs something that is high pace and able to keep up with everything that he's doing. This is the perfect machine for him right here. He brought in all the parts, we assembled it for him, had it ready for him in a short amount of time. So, we were able to do it no problem. If you're ever looking to build a custom built machine, just bring it on over here and we can get it built for you. My name is Josh, and if you got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.